Have you ever done something that you just knew would change your life forever? For me, it was 5 years ago when I officially became Mermaid Jules.
You're crazy.
Upon college graduation, I used the money I saved from my scholarships to invest in my dream mermaid tail, an individually scaled, full silicone, Finfolk Productions tail in bright pink. Over the years, I've flipped these fins in pristine oceans, crystal clear springs, epic swimming pools, unique mermaid tanks, and raging waterfalls. My weekends have been filled with festival performances and birthday parties for the locals, while my everyday content creation has connected me with the rest of the human world. I have been blessed to model for top industry players, as well as collaborate with globally recognized brands. Through mermaiding, I've worked with some incredible artists and tons of other like-minded individuals, all the while making lifetime friends along the way. With 5 years of mermaiding under my fins, I've been able to witness firsthand how quickly this community has grown and diversified, and I'm inspired daily by the creators here. Every mermaid brings their own uniqueness to this community. As professional mermaids, we are recognized by our tails. But it's our own talents, our hobbies and passions, our creativity, and even our quirks that define the characters we will be remembered as. And it is our actions that we will be remembered for. Getting a tail has allowed me to come out of my shell like no other hobby has. Becoming Mermaid Jules has allowed me to grow into something bigger than myself, an inspiration for more people than I may ever even know. So if you're thinking about getting a tail, let me reassure you, anyone can be a mermaid. Seriously. So go ahead, take a leap of faith. You might just transform your life. My name is Jules. I'm 5 years in the fin and still swimming strong.